Question 18, surface area. Surface area says we have to wrap this like gift wrapping paper, or, hillbilly definition, you're getting the individual areas of all of the faces to get it covered. So, 18, you look directly on your formula sheet. Who wants to tell me the three shapes on a cylinder? Maddie. Perfect. I have a circle, circle, rectangle. Circle, circle, rectangle. Who wants to raise their hand and tell me what's the formula for the area of a circle? Everybody can do this one. Don't be shy. Kayla. Pi r. 3.14 times 3 times 3. Okay, I'm crazy. 3.14 times 6 times 6. We're so good, we're going to do both of them at the same time. 3.14 times 3 times 3. They almost like have a duplicate question there. You can almost just mooch and do the question number 20 with me right now as well. Now, the rectangle's harder. Rectangles are length times width. But the length of the rectangle, the gigantically hard question. I told you, please do this. It was a box on your formula sheet with the star to the left, the star to the right. I'm going to tell you right now it's 2 pi r(h). But I want someone in here to be smart enough to tell me height is used for width. What am I actually using for length? What was the component that I'm using for the length of the rectangle? When I lay the can flat out. Maddie. Circumference. So I'm going to go 3.14 times 3 times height of 5. I can go mooch and do that one over here. 3.14. 2 times 3.14 times 6 times 7. So I don't have to think to do this question later on. If you ever get two questions that are identical, make sure you look at them on your test and make sure they're exactly the same. Okay, who's got my answer for 3.14 times 3 times 3? Gage. 28.3. Was it 28 point something something something? Yeah. Does anybody remember like 2.7 or something?
Yeah, and then it's rounded.
Rounded to 28.3. Why am I handwriting? Woo! 28.3. Now, who's got my 2 times 3.14 times 3 times 5? Bobby? 113.1. Anybody else validate that? What do you got?
94.2.
Well, then somebody else. Anybody? What do you got? 94 point what? What do you got?
94.2.
What do you got? I'm going to roll a 94.2. I'm going to roll a 94.2. Now, here's the thing. Oh, that's fine. Thank you. Now, I just need to add these up, 28.3, 28.3, and 94.2. It's a straight, easy calculator. You're allowed to use it. Nico, what'd you get for your answer? 115.8. 115.8.
No, 150.
Oh, one what?
50.
150.8. What kind of units? Squared. Now, you can calculate and multiply all this stuff out over here. I just wanted you to realize it's pi r, 2 pi r h. Now, here's my other thing. I know I'm going to do this on your test tomorrow because I've already wrote your test out. I would have done this on your test. So it's actually good that I'm doing this. I'm not going to totally cover this question, but what I did was this. I gave it a diameter of 6. What has to happen when I give you a diameter of 6? It doesn't change this question either. I'm like smart enough to realize I got to change it to this. Jillian. I got to make it into a radius, and a radius is only halfway, so it would be back to my normal 6 on that question. What was the answer to number 20? Just so everybody can double check they got it right. Who's got it? Number 20, I'm skipping over to it. Final answer on it. Just give me the final answer. You can add all that stuff up on your own. Nico?
376.8.
300 what?
376.8.
I didn't get 300. No, I didn't get that. Emily, what do you got?
489.8.
I got 489.8 as well. 489.8. Now, if you're looking for individual answers to that, you just have to quickly plug them in your calculator. No big deal. I want to try to, I'm already at 5 minutes. I'm going to be way over for the crunch and get done in time. 19. What's the little rap, the little rhythm, the little thing I'm supposed to say? Now, yes, you could do 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. I think that's hard to memorize. We did something different in class. Ellie, what did we do? Top, bottom, front, back, left, right. Now, all of these are LWs. Bottom, 4 times 7, 28, 28. Front and back, 7 times 8, 7 times 8, 56, 56. Left side, right side, 4 times 8, 4 times 8, 32, 32. Now, I always cheat. I do 28 plus 56 plus 32 equals times 2. I only do half of it, times it by 2. But make sure you hit your equal sign. Because if you've got a really smart calculator, your order of operations, or if you have a really bad calculator, it's going to do the adding. It'll screw it up. What's my final answer for number 19? Trevor. 232 square inches.